had many intimacies with strangers. After the death of Alan, intimacies with strangers was all I seemed able to fill my empty heart with. I think it was panic. Just panic. That drove one to another, hunting for some protection here and there in the most unlikely of places. Even at last in a 17-year-old boy. But somebody wrote to the superintendent about it. This woman is morally unfit for her position. True. Yes, I suppose unfit somehow. Anyway, so I came here. There was nowhere else I could go. I was played out. You know what played out means. My youth was suddenly gone up the water spout. And I met you. You said you needed somebody. Well, I needed somebody too. I thank God for you. Because you seem so gentle. A cleft in the rock of the world that I could hide. But I guess I was asking, hoping too much. Kefaba, Stanley, and Shaw have tied an old tin can to the tail of my kite.